Hey engineers, ever found yourself doubting the accuracy of your digital caliper? I'm here to show you how to calibrate it like a pro. It's a straightforward process, but precision is key. First things first, make sure your caliper is clean. Wipe down the jaws and the display with a soft cloth. Dust and grime can mess with your measurements. Next, close the caliper jaws completely. The display should read 0. If it doesn't, press the 0 button. This is your baseline. If you can't zero it out, your caliper might need a reset or replacement. Now, grab a set of gauge blocks. These are precision machined blocks that come in a variety of sizes. For this demonstration, I'm using a 1-inch block. Carefully place the block between the caliper jaws. Ensure the jaws are snug against the block but not too tight. The display should read 1 inch. If it doesn't, there's an issue with the calibration. To fine-tune, use the adjustment screws located on the caliper. Make small adjustments and keep checking with your gauge block. Patience is critical here. After ensuring the 1-inch block reads correctly, repeat the process with other sizes. This confirms that your caliper is accurate across its entire range. Remember, consistent calibration checks are essential, especially in high-precision work. And that's it. A few simple steps to make sure your digital caliper is giving you reliable readings every time. Trust your tools, and they'll trust you back. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Happy measuring!